Okay, so we're going to go over some notes. This is a different style that we're going to take, and then I will teach differently tomorrow, and you'll let me know which one you like better. So today we are going to talk about section 1.1 notes. Okay, section 1.1, we are going to start with what we call evaluating algebraic expressions. So, the nice thing with the videos is you can pause it at any point. You can always go back if you need to. So, what is an algebraic expression? An example of an algebraic expression is 2x. Another example is a plus b. Another example is 2k plus 1. These are all examples of algebraic expressions. They have variables, and then they could be added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided. Okay? So, huge definition. To evaluate, so word evaluate, an algebraic expression okay, we substitute. Now the word substitute, think about it if you were in playing basketball or soccer. When you substitute, you are replacing somebody. So in math, it's the same thing. But in this case, we are going to substitute a number for a variable in the expression. And then calculate the result. Now, how do you calculate the result? Well, it'll depend. Is it being added? Is it being subtracted, multiplied, divided, so forth? Okay? And then this result is called the value. Okay, so every time you evaluate, you end up getting a value. Notice the word is in the word evaluate. Okay, so let's go over some examples. So EX means examples. So in the examples, you are going to practice evaluate. So again, when you evaluate, you get the value. So number one, if I have X plus Y plus Z. Okay, notice you can't add those together. For X is 2, Y is 4, and Z is 8. Okay, so what this means is that every time I see an X, that represents 2. Every time I see Y, that represents 4, and Z is 8. So I am going to go to my expression and substitute X plus Y plus Z. And notice, I said the variables, but I put the numbers. Now, we calculate. Okay, so 2 plus 4 plus 8 is 14, and that is my value, which is my answer. All right, cool, let's try another. So number 2, X minus Y all being divided by 8. 4, X is 24, and Y is 8. Okay, so this is my expression. So I'm going to write out some vocabulary words so you have it. This is what I call my expression, and then these are my values that I will substitute in. So X is 24 minus my Y value, all being divided by 8. So 24 minus 8 is 16, and then it says to divide by 8. Now I just do the math. When I divide those, I get a value of 2. All right, awesome. So I'm going to give you 2 examples to try in your notebook. So I'll give you some time to do that. X times Y for X is 2 and Y is negative 4. Okay. Number 4, go ahead and try this one. 2x plus 1 for X is equal to 1. Okay, so go ahead and try those.